How to completely log out of the SHEIN app. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to learn how we can completely log out from the SHEIN application and remove our login information as well. So let's get started with today's video. First of all, what you want to do is go ahead and then launch the SHEIN application on your device. Then after you launch the SHEIN app, what you have to do is tap on the Me icon located at the bottom right corner. When you've done that, you'll come to your profile page, obviously. From here, you can see this gear icon, which is the settings icon from the very top right hand side. So just tap on that particular gear icon over there. Then when you tap on the gear icon from the top right hand side, you want to scroll down to the bottom and select the option that says sign out. So just tap the sign out button over there. It will ask me, are you sure you want to sign out? So tap the yes button. It will ask me, we will remember this account for you so you can log in directly next time. If it asks you to do so, select no option right here. But if you've already tapped on yes, and when you tap the sign in button, it will just show you your account over here, right? So if your account is still showing up over here, tap on the bottom option that says remove an account. Then when you've done that, it will ask me, are you sure you want to remove the account? So of course, tap the remove button, and then your login information will also be completely removed. And this is how you can log out completely from the SHEIN app. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon as always in the next video.